guys, welcome to Vegan Paella channel. My name is Jay and today we're cooking the vegan paella. The ingredients for the vegan paella of today are paella rice, chopped tomatoes, onion and garlic, mushrooms, tofu, asparagus, red peppers, and vegetarian stock. So, let's get on with the vegan paella. Let's start by adding our red peppers. Let's add our mushrooms and broccoli. While this cooks, let's hear from Jay. iWantPaella.eu, where not only we have a paella blog, but we also sell paella pans, paella burners, spices, beer, wine, and much more. So, don't miss out and come visit us at iWantPaella.eu. Okay guys, we're gonna add a tad more of olive oil since our mushrooms have soaked up all that we had available, okay? So just a bit. That is enough. Mushrooms tend to do that. They absorb oil, they liberate water, and then that's how they cook. Okay, let's leave it for a while. Let's add our onion and garlic. Let's add our chopped tomatoes. And mix it up a bit. It's a good time to addition half a teaspoon of paprika that we have available at our store iWantPaella.eu. Let's add half an envelope of paella mix that we also have available at our store iWantPaella.eu. So this is for 6 portions. We're making 3, so we're gonna add half. Okay, around that. And let's mix it a little bit. Let's add one of the vegetarians' favorites, tofu. Okay, let's leave those ingredients cook for a bit while they exchange all those flavors into each other. In a few minutes, we're gonna add our vegetarian stock and our paella rice. First, we're gonna add the paella rice and mix it up with all this goodness. Let's do that now. 300 grams of rice to make 3 portions. Okay, let's make all that goodness. Let's add our vegan stock. Slowly. Okay, we're gonna add 900 milliliters. We have 1 liter, which is 1,000. We're gonna leave a bit at the end. Okay. Let's distribute this a bit. And at this point you want to turn your paella burner okay, that's enough. Okay, let's give it a bit of a shake. Good guys. Let's add our asparagus. Okay guys, we have a nice boil going. We're gonna reduce our paella burner power down to 50%. That's about it, and we want the rest of this paella to simmer slowly until it finishes. Let's give it a bit of a shake. And let's try our rice for the first time with a clean spoon. Okay guys, that rice is around 50% at the moment. We're gonna leave it cooking for a while. Should take only a few minutes. Let's add a bit more of the stock to help that rice finish cooking. All right, just a bit. All right, there you go. We still have some left over, but that's okay. So maybe we've used 950 milliliters or something like that. Let's give it a bit of a shake. Let's try the rice for the second time with a clean spoon in a different place. Here, for instance. We're just trying to try the rice, not the rest of the ingredients. Okay. Let's add a bit of salt. And let's give it another shake. The rice is around 70% at the moment, so we just want to wait a bit longer for it to finish cooking. Okay, I've turned down our paella burner to 30% because we want the last stage of our paella to cook slowly. All right, we want the rice perfectly cooked. Let's give it another shake. let's try a rice for the third time with a clean spoon in a different place. Okay guys, our rice is almost ready. We're gonna leave it finished for a couple of minutes and then we're gonna bring it to our kitchen. Okay guys, I've turned off our paella burner. Now I'm gonna give it the last shake and I'm gonna bring it to our kitchen. Alright. Okay guys, here's our vegan paella. Doesn't that look gorgeous? I'm gonna serve it on a plate now so you can see what it would look like if you were about to eat it. Okay guys, let's serve this vegan paella. Alright, tofu, mushrooms, oof. Everything looks fantastic. Let's add a bit more. Alright. Ladies and gentlemen, a proper plate of vegan paella. Don't forget to visit us at iwantpaella.eu, where we have our paella blog, where you have all the recipes, you have a lot of all the articles about paella, and you have our store. So don't hesitate and come visit us at iwantpaella.eu. Thank you and see you soon.